Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Cricfy TV on iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store, or you can say the App Store on your iPhone. And once you open the App Store, so you just need to write down Cricfy on your search section, Cricfy TV. And once you write down, you just need to scroll down and find your application. Let's say this is the one, Cricfy TV, Football Live TV. Like this is your application, you want to install it. Just click on get and you will be able to install it. But let's say that for some reason you're not able to find your application. So what you can do is just go back here onto the home page of App Store, and from the upper right corner just click on your iCloud account and click on the profile section again, and that will basically load your Apple ID, or you can say the iCloud account here. And you just need to scroll down and go inside the country and region section. Now as you can see, my country is United States. If you have any other country or region, that might be the reason that you're not able to see the application. So just click here, change the country or region to any other country, or change the country to United States. And once you change the country to United States, you will be able to find and download the application easily. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.